out there. This is Drawdown King coming to you for some exciting news. We got ProjectX, TopstepX available now on the data feed for Quantower. So you can actually take your credentials, log in, and be able to place orders, retain all of your controls for your risk parameters from TopstepX, and to get some additional capabilities that maybe you wanted, or maybe just want to explore, have the ability to access another platform. We also have Pro Real-Time here as well. Gonna go ahead and get up and get your warnings there. Definitely want your Pro Real-Time, so you're gonna want to click in the link. Click on the link. Go ahead and start doing that. Click on the link there in the description. Get your free copy of Quantower. You click on that, download it, set up an account. Tell everybody you got it from Drawdown King. You want some paid options. Make sure to use that link, because that will help me help you, help me help you, help you, help me help you. You follow that? And then get your copy of the Pro Real-Time. Wait a few more moments before we go too much further here. Maybe you can stop, pause, follow along once you get that. Pro Real-Time, you're going to get the web version, you're going to get the mobile version, and 4 weeks instead of 2 weeks of the complete edition. That's it right here. Let's minimize our Pro Real-Time right now. You're going to want a copy of this. It's free. It's the best free mobile and web platform anywhere in existence. Go ahead and get it now. Click on that link. We'll sign in with your Gmail or other things, your Apple, your whatever. If you download, I believe this is the default. I believe. I may have already had it installed. I do not know. I think I reinstalled it. It should look like this. I believe it comes up with AMP, Binance, DX Feeds, Rhythmic. I could be wrong. ProjectX. Just click on any of these here, and you're going to search for it right here. Just scroll around here. You can see which one's supported, who supported, how they're supported, and all of that jazz. You want to add it to your favorites, just click right there. Right. So go ahead and find it. I overscrolled. We overscrolled here. Oh, it's up here because I'm already connected to it. But normally you would find it down in here. You want to add this to your favorites right here. Doesn't look like my round trip is very fast at all. And that's okay. We don't care. You click it, add it. And there you go. You're added up here. Shows you live. You want to get rid of any of these, it's not a problem. You don't want those showing up in your shit. Just uncheck them if you don't want them. If you do, leave them up there. Whatever the case. We're going to do a complete video here another time. Once you have it up and running, and you want to bring a chart up, first and foremost, looks like ES has already been loaded here. But let's just say you logged in with your credentials. I'm just showing these symbols here, so I could be wrong whether they offer more right this time. I don't really know. You message me, I'll find out. Maybe you can add more like that. So you've got it open. I've got my GC there. I've got my ES. You're logged in. So first and foremost, you're going to want to get a chart. This is up here all the time. Annoying sometimes, yes. You minimize that. It minimizes everything. So that's up there whether you like it or not. I think you can throw some stuff over top of it. So that's good. Alright, we'll do a few quick customizations. Just trying to get a quick video, let you know you can take your prop firm or live account broker that's using the TopstepX ProjectX platform. Log in with your credentials. You are now live here. You want to log in with other ones, that's okay as well. You can definitely do that. Lots of different options of customizing. We'll do that on a separate video called Customizing Quantower. This is just to get you up and running. You got a chart, you're logged in, you've got a chart, you see the menu at the top, and let's say you want to trade. Got that right here, right underneath the X on your chart. Boom, just like that. You want to put your buy and sell buttons down here, you can do that. Do mouse trading, you want to do that, that's what you do. You want to turn on your keyboard shortcuts, that's what you do. You want to go full screen, that's what you do. That's a new slogan, that's what you do. Want to get rid of this stuff over here on the left, you click on that. Don't be afraid to click. You got some customizations, you want to do that, go ahead and do that. Right? You got some other data styles, you got some customizations, you want to do those, go ahead and do it. I'll install a new version for every video, so we'll go ahead and delete it. And what's this? Data style, candle, whatever, I don't know what this is, but we're going to customize that up and down. I would not be satisfied if my candles were not this. Border collar. We definitely like that right here. I don't know why the wick colors are different. We'll just leave them like that for shits and giggles, right? Alright, let's say you did a quick customization. You don't like this stuff here. I don't either. I don't either. I don't want to have the default color here. Maybe I'll do a tan. Something like that. Fade it out, whatever the case. Simple as that. You saw me get in here. You saw me do some customizations on this as well. I can definitely do that, but you are now connected. Price horizontal. You want to change that? Change it, man. Ain't nobody making you do the same colors. You want to change your font colors? Let's change the font colors. How about that? How about that? What do you think about that? You like that shit? It's what I thought. And there's one other customization, but you come in here, click on your charts, go to view. I've got it. I got a few other things I want to do before I would be ready to use this, right? And I believe you can come up here into some more of the settings as well. I have not logged into mine. But I want to save this. We do want to go ahead and save this template. Right? JoJo, whatever you want to name it. And save it. Save as template. template 1, template 2, whatever you want to call it. That is on you. So we'll see if we want to change anything else right now. I don't know what this Quantower stuff is right here. I don't really care about that. Let's do a regular old normal candle. But anyway, we're up. You want another chart, go ahead and go up to the charts. You've got another chart. You want to apply that to another chart. You come over here and you apply the template and zing-a-zing, zing, bang, bang, boom. I want to change the color or the background, some other stuff, I can do that. You want to have a few charts up, you can do that. You want to have your risk controls from your TopstepX, you can do that as it's automatic. Click on that, there it is, there's your strategies. We'll go through some more stuff on another episode. Want to get out of it, there you go. So we've got you up and running. Let's do one more run through just to see if I can do a additional customization here. We've got that, we've got our time scales, we've got some of this, some of that. I don't know what I'm changing the color to now. Do I know what colors I'm changing now? I really don't. We just click on stuff and we hope that it keeps working when we are done with it. But as you can see, you want to add a few other things. Daily lows, daily highs, opening prices. You want to do some stuff here. You want to do some things right on this. We want to make them a solid color. You want to make them a dash. That is on you. Whatever you want to do, you want to make it 3, you want to make it 2, you want to make it 4 or more. That is also on you. That's your customizations on your new positioning trading software via the API that you can log into with, you guessed it, you guessed it. You absolutely guessed it here. TopstepX, Platform X. Let's go ahead and look and see how we can change the themes. Themes on Quantower. Themes on theme editors. Alright, I'm looking over here. Various set theme. Theme editors, miscellaneous sections, the control center, sidebar, miscellaneous. Right here, here's your themes. You want to add it to your favorites. Look at that. You want to add any to your favorites up top, or get rid of some of this crap that you don't want, that you don't care about. You don't care about the dome. I don't care about the dome either. The dome can take a flying leap as far as I'm concerned, but if you're a big dome fan, go for it. Reset colors and proceed. Oh my gosh. But this is what you can do. Nobody wants to have the old boring regular default crap. You know, nobody wants that default stuff. You sort of like this one, you sort of like that one. You want to change it, you want to customize it. Primary background, whatever the case, whatever you want to do, you can do it right here. And window external border, you want to change that to this, you want to change it to that. Well, that's up to you. You want to do the internal border, you want to change some colors over here, that's also up to you. I don't know what that is. Templates category, buy, sell, info, primary background, what's the secondary background? I don't know. Middle background. we're going to change it. We're going to leave it at where we have it there. And then guess what we're going to do? We're going to save this right there. And I'm coming up here to define my previous one. And maybe I'll go back in and customize it a little further and change some stuff up. But I've given you enough information to customize your colors. To get you up and running, to let you see exactly some of the things that you want to see, and to be able to analyze things that you want to be able to analyze. So we want to add some more additional studies and things like that. We're going to get into that in the next episode because I don't exactly remember where they are. Here they are, indicators right here. And you want to do some pivot points, some things of this nature. McGanny, I don't even know what the hell that is. We don't care what it is. We know that we added it, and if we don't want it, we can take it off right there. But we got you up and running. We're connected. We're getting some really bad stuff here on the RTT, whatever that is, real time, whatever the case. But you're up and running. You're in ProjectX. You customize it. You make it look however you want. You can get up and running. You've got your trading panel here. You want a dome. You can do a dome right here. See that? There's your dome right there. So we'll go back in, add some customization templates to make it look cleaner. Maybe I'll save it with you. Make sure to click on the link. So I'll get credit, you'll get credit, everybody be happy. Sign up and pay for it if you see some things that you want. Get your copy of Pro Real-Time Web and Mobile and the 4-week trial of the complete. I'm out of here. This is Drawdown King, 17 minutes in. Hopefully gave you a little understanding. You know where to get it, you know how to connect it, you know how to customize it, you know where all the templates, layouts, things like that are, your DOM panels, your trading panels, your mouse trading, your keyboard trading. We'll do a video on more customizations and indicators and things of that nature. I know there's also a wide assortment of algos you can get to. Out of here, appreciate you watching me. But we're live. Pipe your data in from your TopstepX, PlatformX, ProjectX, whatever you want to call it, here into Quantower. It's new, it's exclusive. No other platform can get that API connection at this time, maybe in the future, but here you go. A much requested feature. I'm glad you're able to join me. Enjoy your weekend, week, morning, day, afternoon. Whatever it is where you are, have a great weekend. Happy Easter weekend as well. So be back and running on Monday. Enjoy this. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.